I was working on a 2017 Impala. The code was ABS dealing with the steering. And basically what it was doing, it was shutting down the steering of the car. So, the customer complained that they would have to buy another steering rack, which is not cheap. And the problem came out to be a $50 ABS sensor. This is the original sensor that I replaced. It has a break in it. Somebody was replacing the wheel hub on the back, and for some odd reason they didn't remove it while they were doing the job. So it pinched and also broke the cable. I wish I had the wheels and stuff still off, but the ABS cord goes all the way back there behind that little black panel, but it plugs in behind the rotor. So if you're ever doing a wheel hub job on one of these, take about 5 seconds and disconnect the ABS line. But that causes so many issues with the car. Almost everything on this platform uses that same stuff, that's drive-by wires. So hopefully this will help somebody, and the codes will be down in the description. Thank you, subscribe, and like, as always.